Are you curious about how combining hyperbaric oxygen therapy with neurofeedback brain training can enhance your overall quality of life? Hi, I'm Dr. Jason Han, and in this video, we're going to explore how these two powerful therapies work together to optimize brain function, promote healing, and help you feel your best. At HealthFit, we're committed to offering you the most effective therapies for our patients, even if it's not at our own facility. Through our Trusted Professionals Network, we have struck an amazing synergistic relationship with Dr. Licata and Vital Brain Health, also located in Pasadena, California. One of the most exciting combinations we've seen is the use of hyperbaric oxygen therapy, also known as HBOT, alongside neurofeedback brain training. Whether you're recovering from a brain injury, managing chronic neurological conditions, or simply looking to boost your cognitive performance, this duo can make a significant difference. I know this firsthand, not just by watching success stories with our mutual clients, but having my mother-in-law go through this entire process after suffering a traumatic brain injury. A few years ago, she experienced a rather aggressive fall after my large dog tripped her up from behind. She landed flat on her face, and the force of the fall resulted in extreme dental damage, even her losing some teeth. She did not exhibit any concussion-like symptoms in the short term, but a few weeks later, she started to experience major neurological symptoms, such as weakness on her left side, decreased fine motor skills, difficulty with memory and speech, and just getting around the house. The woman who was once chasing after our two young children was resigned to a wheelchair, unable to even bathe herself. Trips to the ER and traditional ways of loading up the patient with anti-inflammatories and painkillers simply wasn't working. I actually went to Dr. Licata for advice, and he was the one that recommended hyperbaric oxygen therapy. It just so happened that a good friend of mine, Dr. Mark Chang, had a unit at his home. Her improvement using the chamber at his home was a game changer. And that was essentially the biggest push to bring HBOT into our practice here at HealthFit. Number one, she could use it as many times as she wanted to. And number two, we could bring the power of oxygen to so many more people. As her strength and overall functional ability got better, she was still having certain difficulties with memory, sharpness, and thinking quickly. This is when we took her to Vital Brain Health, and now she's pretty much 100%. This is why we are so passionate about this combination of HBOT and neurofeedback brain training. It changed our life and has done the same for countless others. So, how does this all work? Let's start with hyperbaric oxygen therapy. During an HBOT session, you'll be placed in a chamber where you're breathing in enhanced levels of oxygen at a higher atmospheric pressure. This process increases the oxygen levels in your blood, which is crucial for healing and brain function. The brain consumes more oxygen than any other organ in your body, making HBOT particularly effective for enhancing brain health. It's like giving your brain a much-needed breath of fresh air. By increasing the oxygen supply, HBOT accelerates the body's natural healing processes. This therapy is incredibly beneficial for reducing inflammation, promoting tissue repair, and even encouraging the growth of new blood vessels. But it's not just about the physical repair. HBOT also plays a crucial role in neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize and form new neural connections. Let's talk about neurofeedback brain training. This is a non-invasive therapy that helps your brain learn to function more efficiently. During a session, sensors are placed on your scalp to monitor your brainwave activity. This data is then analyzed by a computer, which provides you with real-time feedback, often through visual or auditory cues. Essentially, neurofeedback helps retrain your brain to operate in a more balanced and optimal way. Think of it like a workout for your brain. Neurofeedback trains your brain to shift from less ideal patterns, such as those seen in anxiety, ADHD, or often a concussion, to healthier patterns associated with focus, relaxation, and emotional stability. Over time, your brain learns to maintain these beneficial patterns on its own, leading to improvements in everything from cognitive function to emotional well-being. Imagine this: you're watching a video and it only plays smoothly when your brain is in optimal state. If your brain waves start to drift, the video slows down or just stops. This prompts your brain to adjust itself, getting back on track so that the video continues. Over time, this conditioning helps your brain learn to stay in those optimal states even outside of therapy sessions. What happens when you combine hyperbaric oxygen therapy with neurofeedback? The results can be extraordinary. HBOT primes your brain by enhancing oxygenation, reducing inflammation, and promoting neuroplasticity. This creates an ideal environment for neurofeedback to take hold and to guide your brain towards optimal function. Essentially, HBOT sets the stage, and then neurofeedback helps your brain make the most of it. For example, in my mother-in-law's case, if you're recovering from a traumatic brain injury or a stroke, the increased oxygen from HBOT supports the repair of damaged brain tissues, while neurofeedback helps retrain your brain to restore lost functions. For chronic conditions like anxiety, ADHD, or migraines, this combination can lead to more consistent and lasting improvements in symptoms as your brain learns to operate in a healthier, more efficient manner.
Hi, my name's Ed Califf. It's been very different to me. The people here have been very conscious and have worked on me. They've given me things to do and I turn them back to them, and that helps them take care of me. And so far, I haven't been unsatisfied. The best thing about it is it's calm, and they're very, very precise is what they do, and they don't let anything get out of order. Very suspicious, okay? And when I got here, I'm kind of laughing a little bit because I got this big bubble. It's a huge potato from the outside. It's actually a great treatment for me. And all my visits that I've had, which is 2 a week for about 6 months, 7 months, all relaxation as soon as I get in there.
We've seen incredible stories with this approach. Patients report better focus, improved memory, reduced anxiety, and even enhanced mood stability. What's more, by using these therapies together, we're not just treating the symptoms, we're addressing the underlying issues and promoting long-term brain health. To sum it all up, combining HBOT with neurofeedback brain training offers a powerful, holistic approach to brain health. Whether you're recovering from an injury, managing a chronic condition, or simply looking to optimize your cognitive performance, this combination could be a game changer for you. Remember, consistency and personalized treatment plan are key to getting the best results. If you have more questions about how these two therapies can benefit you, or if you're ready to start your journey to better brain health, don't hesitate to reach out to us. At HealthFit, we're here to support you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and remember, a healthy brain is the foundation of a healthy life. Let's work together to help yours thrive. Hey, if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for our latest tips coming to you every week. Share this video with your family and friends. It might just make their day a little bit better. I'll see you soon.